right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content here. And if you didn't know, we do have a website, ballroomfeed.com. Not only do we teach and break down how to do this combo, we also teach all of those individual steps broken down step by step for you, which we recommend before trying to put them together and not knowing the steps, of course. So be sure to check that out, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.